Hello, this is Tanveer Hussain. Thank you for stopping by my profile. I am an AI automation engineer based in Pakistan, and I help business grow by using smart systems to find customers, send messages, and book meetings all on autopilot. If you are hiring on Upwork, you are probably busy, so let's keep this simple and tell you exactly what I do, who I help, and what it's like to work with me. So most businesses I work with have the same three problems. The team is wasting hours chasing the wrong customers. Their emails and messages are getting ignored, and leads are slipped away because nobody follow up fast enough. I build systems that fix all three quietly in the background around the clock. The systems I have designed have helped my client close over $5 million in sale. Here, what's that look like in real life? If you are spending money on leads that go nowhere, I build a system that finds the right customers for your business. It learns who is a good fit and only sends you the ones most likely to buy. No more wasting time on people who are never going to say yes. If your emails are getting ignored, I write smart outreach that feels personal to every single person who receive it. My clients usually see 3 to 5 times more replies than before, sometimes more. If leads are slipping through the cracks, I build follow ups that run on autopilot by email, by message, even by AI voice calls that can actually have a conversation and book the meeting on the spot. And if your team is drowning in paperwork, contracts, or notes, I will build a tool that lets you ask a question and gets the answer in seconds instead of digging through the files for an hour. Who you have worked with? So basically, I have built these systems for sale teams, marketing agencies, real estate companies, consulting firms, and software businesses all over the US, Europe, and Australia. Some clients come to me with a clear plan, others just say, "Hey Tanveer, my business is messy, please help." Both are welcome. Whether you need one small fix or a complete build system from scratch, I treat your project like it's my own business. Because honestly, that's the only way I know how to work. So, what's actually like to work with me? I keep things simple. I don't throw confusing technical words at you. I explain everything plain English the way I would explain to my friend. Before I build anything, I show you exactly what I am planning so you always know what you are paying for. When the work is done, I leave you with clear instructions and a short video walkthrough so you have never stuck or dependent on me. I am based in Pakistan and I work late hours here, which means I am online during your work day in US, Europe, or Australian time zone. You will never wait a full day for a reply. If your business is losing time, losing leads, or losing sleep over things that should be automatic, I can help. Send me a message and tell me what's slowing you down. No pressure, no sales pitch. I will listen. I will ask simple questions. I will show you exactly how I would fix it before we even talk about price. Thanks for watching. I am looking forward to hear your business. Bye.